for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Legacy. The Subaru Legacy offers a roomy interior and a dynamic drive you feel every second you're in the driver's seat. It's a refreshing alternative to the alternatives. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, remote trunk release, four-wheel disc brakes, variable speed, intermittent wipers. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.